Hi Sophie, what's lined up for today's wrapping challenge? A thick hardcover, classic but not as easy as it looks. Sophie wastes no time, she jumps right in. She goes with blue, selecting a sheet of tissue paper to get started. She places the book right in the center and carefully folds the sides, nice and neat. For the presentation, she adds a warm message sticker, a personal little touch just for the lucky recipient. Now it looks like Sophie's going for an outer layer of wrapping paper. Turns out the tissue was just the first stage. That's looking more like a state gift than a simple anniversary one. Sophie's now focusing on the folds of the outer layer, which pairs beautifully with that inner blue. Now she seals the top and bottom, an important step when dealing with something this thick. A few final adjustments, and it looks like we're entering the last stretch of this wrap. One more message sticker, this time one for everyone to see. But Sophie's not done yet. A ribbon is a must to meet her expectations for this wrap. That looks absolutely fantastic. And there you go, a true piece of art has just been born. Well done, Sophie, you totally nailed it. Keep wrapping, watch the next video, or grab your own stickers at Zephyr-Label.com.